Okay, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Excel for the Walmart project. So first thing you want to do is read the instructions. If you don't read the instructions, it's very difficult to know what we're doing in class. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the Walmart project sheet I gave you. You're going to read it. It's pretty much you've won $5,000 gift card for Walmart, but you must use all of it to keep your items without going over. So if you go over $5,000, you have to come out of your pocket to spend buy the rest of the things that you have. So you want to spend at least, well, the most $5,000. All right, you must include at least 10 different items for your spreadsheet. The assignment is to create your spreadsheet by using Microsoft Excel. If you are able to spend exactly $5,000, tax included, you are considered to be a top shopper. All right, so that's the Walmart gift card. Here are the calculations. Subtotal equals quantity times price. The tax is 8%. Subtotal is, the total price is subtotal plus sales tax. Grand total is sum of the total price column. Use AutoSum. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using to help us do our formulas. Also keep in mind that these are some of the formulas here. Your budget's $5,000, but you can spend between $4,900 and $5,000. And after you finish doing your spreadsheet, you're going to format, right-click format, and we're going to make these into currency. Okay? You can always look at the Wall of Fame board to see an example of how this looks. And you're going to add a pie chart when it's all done. Okay? So these are just instructions on the sheet right here. So the first thing I would do is I'd go ahead and make, I gave you the spreadsheet. Go ahead and fill out the spreadsheet. Go to walmart.com, start looking for items, put the item name, the quantity, the price. Fill out this column right here. Okay? Fill out that column first with everything you buy. And then you're going to transfer this information onto a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Okay? So I have a spreadsheet like this on the BL drive you can pull up and use, but you're going to have to watch this video to help you fill out the spreadsheet. So if you open up Microsoft Excel and you type this in yourself, so in A1, you're going to type item name, and then B1 quantity, C1 price, D1 subtotal, E1 sales tax, and F1 total. Then you jump down here and type grand total under sales tax. If you can make this by yourself, you won't need the template that the teacher has. Okay? Alright, so once you're finished doing your template should look like mine. You should have, minus this stuff at the top, you should have item name, quantity, sales price, subtotal, sales tax, and total price. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the formulas, how they're supposed to look, and then you can do the rest by filling in your information on the things you bought. So, first thing we're going to do is subtotal. Now we know that subtotal equals price times quantity. These two cells here, when you multiply those together, whatever's in there, it'll give you a subtotal. Sales tax is this, whatever's in this cell, multiplied by 8%. Total price is going to be subtotal plus sales tax. When you add these two together, you get this. When you multiply these two, you get subtotal. Okay? So let's go ahead and put our formulas in. Subtotal is equal to, so I put the equal sign. Every formula always starts with an equal sign. Subtotal equals quantity, Shift 8 to give you the multiplication sign. Then we click on price. Then we click enter. That should give you, if you formatted your cell, it should give you a line like this. Equals C3 times D3. Sales tax is equal to subtotal, Shift and 8, 0.08. Enter. Total price is equal to these two together. So total price is going to be equal to, well, I'm going to do this. I'm going to click on auto sum. When I click on auto sum, these should get highlighted, and I'm going to add these two cells together. I'm going to press enter. Okay, now I have all my formulas in here. Right? All I need to do now, like for instance, if I put my information, if I put one item and it costs $8.99, it should automatically calculate the subtotal, sales tax, and the total price for that item. Let's see if it does it. Alright, it did. So I have all my numbers here. Now if I change that number to 6, it automatically changes. If I change it to 3, it changes everything. Right? That's what the formula does. So we're going to fill this out all the way down to here, to our grand total. Now, but we don't want to keep putting these formulas in for every single line. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to use autofill. When you get the subtotal, you're going to come here, you're going to drag autofill, this line, all the way down till you get down to your boxes. You're going to scroll back up again, and we're going to click on this line, and we're going to drag it all the way down to the bottom. Up here, grab total price, and we're going to grab it all the way down to the bottom. Now, if you don't get dollar signs in here, you want to click in the cell, right click, format the cell, and you want to select currency. It's a little bit slow, but we're going to find currency in our numbers. Let's try it again. We're going to right click, format cells, and we're going to find currency, and then we're going to click, maybe bring our decimal places to 2 so it looks like this. Maybe we'll do 2. Alright, and we're going to click OK. That should give you a currency sign right there. Okay? Now, you don't have to do that, but that's just an option. So you can change your currencies in there. Okay? So that's pretty much it. Your template's done. Your grand total, you're going to click on the grand total cell, click auto sum, which is going to select everything in here, and you're going to click enter. That gives you your grand total for how much you spent so far. So if I put in 8 items or 8 quantity at $799, this should change. That should change. Okay? Your budget's $5,000, so you want to get to $5,000. So now I'm actually over my budget. So that's how you do the Walmart project. If you have any questions, you can ask the teacher, or you should be able to do it by yourself. Good luck.